Every once in a while, a simple exercise takes the fitness world by storm, and the plank is one of them. At first glance, it looks almost too easy, just holding your body in a straight line. But behind that stillness lies a powerhouse of strength training. Imagine doing just one move every day, no equipment, no gym, and watching your body transform. The question is, can planks really make you stronger? And if so, how much? The plank is more than just a core workout. When you hold that position, you're activating shoulders, arms, back, glutes, and legs all at once. Over time, this simple isometric exercise builds endurance, tones muscles, and boosts stability. People who practice daily often notice better posture, reduced back pain, and improved overall strength in just a few weeks. Studies even show that holding a plank for just 60 seconds engages more muscles than dozens of crunches. The best part? You can do it anywhere, living room, office, or even at the park. So next time you drop down into a plank, remember, you're not just holding still. You're building a stronger, more powerful version of yourself 1 minute at a time.